Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be going over Bitcoin on the weekly chart and on the monthly chart just to give you guys a better idea of what I see happening over the next couple of weeks. So let's get into it. First off, you can see that not this past week, but the week prior, so about 2 weeks ago, we got this closed below this support zone. This is extremely bearish right here. So, um, what I can expect to see this next week or maybe even sometime this weekend is we'll get a push up back into this zone. And where we have this layer right here, this support zone right here, and then we have this big support zone where these guys overlap. This is going to be a very big resistance point now. So we had a ton of buyers that were here before, but they uh, got pushed through by the bears and just all the nonstop selling that's going on with this FTX stuff going on and just all the other news that's come out about crypto over the last few weeks. So I personally will be looking to enter a short position somewhere between 18,125 and 18,800. Anywhere in that zone. And even better would be if we get a rejection off of this previous uptrend line in this double layered previous support zone, because this is all now resistance. So this is a ton of resistance right in here. So again, look for a push up into this area, and then from there get a rejection down back to realistically, the first target will be 13,800, which was this resistance zone right here, at the top of this resistance zone right here, back in what is this, June of 2019. So this is from a while ago. So it's been a long time since this area has been tested. So that's where I see, the first set of buyers coming in. Then we'll get a little bounce, and then we'll get another push back down to this level, close to 11,000, maybe even a little below 11,000. And then again, get another bounce and then continue downward and just kind of keep on repeating this pattern. Maybe there'll be a few weeks of consolidation here or there in between these levels, but realistically, I just see us continuing to follow this pattern until we really retest this bottom support zone here at like 6,400. If you take a look at the monthly chart, you'll see where I'm getting that level from, and I can show you where I'm getting a couple of these other levels from. So the final TP is going to be this 6,400 level, and that is coming off of this support area right here, this pivot back in March of 2020. That is exactly where this final profit zone is coming from, and then right here, I believe this was identified on the weekly chart. This is just going to be the bottom of this support zone that was established right here after we got that initial pump up. And then again, right here, this 10,700 level. Let me double check. Maybe that was going to be coming. Yeah, that was going to be coming from the monthly chart again. And that is going to be the initial candle that started this huge pump up. This candle from October of 2020 on the monthly chart. That was the initial candle before we started going all the way up to 64,000, 65,000, right around there. So yeah, that'll be a very key area where I could see a lot of people stepping in as well. So I'll go ahead and label these profit targets, and I'll go ahead and post these levels in the description, as well as again where I see a good entry point being, which is going to be up here in this zone. So I'll go ahead and add all that stuff to the description. I hope you guys like this video. If you're interested And these indicators that I have, these are custom indicators. I'll leave a link to these in the description as well. And if you're interested in doing a Zoom call where I do technical analysis on stocks of your choosing, on multiple time frames of your choice, there will be a link for that in the description, as well as the weekly stock picks that I will be personally choosing, the best risk to reward, mostly large cap stock option trades. And I will be creating a list of the top like 3 to 5 stocks that I'm looking at every week. So there will be a link to in the description to that as well. And yeah, that pretty much sums everything up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this is useful and you guys are able to use this information to earn yourself a little more money, a little extra income. And yeah, good luck out there, guys. I'll catch you next time.